Artificial Intelligence and Environment Introduction. As the world grapples with pressing environmental challenges, artificial intelligence emerges as a powerful tool for understanding, monitoring, and mitigating the impact on our planet. This presentation explores the multifaceted role of artificial intelligence in the world environment and highlights the countries at the forefront of leveraging artificial intelligence for sustainable practices. Climate modeling and prediction. Artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of climate science, enhancing climate modeling and prediction. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets, providing more accurate insights into climate patterns and trends. Natural resource management. From forests to agriculture lands, artificial intelligence aids in monitoring and managing natural resources. Remote sensing and satellite data analyzed by artificial intelligence algorithms offer valuable insights into deforestation, water quality, and land use changes. Biodiversity conservation. Artificial intelligence contributes to biodiversity conservation by analyzing data on species distribution, migration patterns, and ecosystem health. Image recognition and data analytics help identify endangered species and potential threats. Environmental monitoring and surveillance. AI-driven sensors and drones enable real-time monitoring of environmental parameters, including air and water quality. Anomaly detection algorithms identify pollution incidents, facilitating rapid response measures. Energy efficiency and renewable energy. Artificial intelligence optimizes energy consumption through predictive maintenance, smart grids, and demand forecasting. Machine learning enhances the efficiency of renewable energy sources by predicting optimal times for energy generation and storage. Waste management. Artificial intelligence is employed in waste sorting and recycling processes, improving the accuracy and efficiency of sorting materials. Predictive analytics aid in optimizing waste collection routes, reducing fuel consumption and environmental impact. Climate change adaptation and mitigation. Artificial intelligence assists in developing strategies for climate change adaptation, such as designing resilient infrastructure and urban planning. Optimization algorithms contribute to planning mitigation measures, including the reduction of carbon emissions. Environmental education and awareness. Artificial intelligence technologies such as virtual reality and educational chatbots enhance environmental education and awareness campaigns. Data visualization tools powered by artificial intelligence make complex environmental issues more accessible to the general public. So viewers, here we have a list of the countries who are leading in artificial intelligence for environmental applications. China, United States of America, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, India, Norway, Japan, South Korea, Africa or African countries, Australia, Pakistan, Russia. So let's go one by one. China. China is one of the world's most influential nations, plays a significant role in shaping global environmental policies and initiatives. Examining its role in detail reveals a complex interplay between environmental challenges and ambitious efforts to address them. Renewable energy leadership. China has emerged as a global leader in renewable energy initiatives. The country is investing heavily in wind, solar, and hydropower projects, aiming to reduce its dependence on fossil fuels and curb carbon emissions. The sheer scale of China's renewable energy projects contributes substantially to the global shift towards sustainable energy sources. Carbon emission reduction commitments. In recent years, China has made significant commitments to reduce carbon emissions. The nation pledged to reach peak carbon emissions before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. These targets align with international efforts to mitigate climate change and demonstrate China's recognition of its role in shaping a sustainable future. Electric vehicle revolution. China is at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution with policies encouraging the production and adoption of electric cars. The country is contributing to a reduction in air pollution and dependence on traditional fossil fuel powered vehicles. The success of China's electric vehicle market has global implications for the automotive industry's transition to cleaner technologies. Afforestation and ecosystem restoration. China is doing some pretty cool stuff to help nature. They are planting a bunch of new trees and fixing up ecosystems, kind of like giving nature a makeover. This helps stop soil erosion, imagine soil slowly washing away, and makes sure we have cleaner air by trapping carbon. It's like China's way of joining the global team to take care of the earth. Challenges and struggles. Despite these positive initiatives, China faces challenges such as persistent air and water pollution, often stemming from rapid industrialization. Balancing economic growth with environmental sustainability remains a delicate task. Additionally, some critics argue that China's overseas infrastructure projects, such as the Belt and Road Initiative, may contribute to environmental degradation in other regions. Global collaboration and diplomacy. China's participation in international environmental agreements and collaborations is crucial. The nation's involvement in forums like the Paris Agreement and its collaboration with other countries on environmental research and technology transfer demonstrate a willingness to work collective on global challenges. Technological innovation and research. China is investing heavily in green technologies and environmental research. This includes advancements in areas such as clean energy, carbon capture and storage, and sustainable agriculture. Technological innovation is a key driver in addressing environmental challenges, and China's contributions in this sphere have broad implications for global sustainability. Waste management and circular economy. Tackling the issue of waste, China is implementing policies to enhance waste management and promote a circular economy. Efforts to reduce single use plastics and increase recycling rates align with broader global initiatives to minimize the environmental impact of waste. Conclusion. China's role in the world environment is multifaceted, encompassing both commendable efforts and ongoing challenges. As the world's most populous nation and a major economic power, China's environmental policies and practices significantly influence the global trajectory towards sustainability. Continued international cooperation and domestic reforms will be crucial for China to navigate the complexities of environmental stewardship successfully. China is using smart technology called artificial intelligence to help with environmental challenges. In renewable energy, artificial intelligence makes wind, solar, and hydropower projects work better. It also helps China keep track of and reduce carbon emissions, supporting its goal to be carbon neutral by 2060. In the electric vehicle push, artificial intelligence is used for better charging and improving how electric cars work. For planting trees and fixing ecosystems, artificial intelligence helps figure out the best ways to plant and keeps an eye on how things are growing. In waste management, artificial intelligence helps with sorting and recycling So China is not just doing good things for the environment but also using smart technology to make those efforts even better. The United States as a major global player wields considerable influence on international environmental efforts. Examining its role in detail reveals a dynamic landscape shaped by policies, innovations, and challenges in the pursuit of a sustainable future. Climate change policies. The United States has historically played a pivotal role in global climate change discussions. Rejoining the Paris Agreement under the Biden administration signaled a renewed commitment to addressing climate change. Ambitious national targets aim to reduce carbon emissions, transition to renewable energy, and accelerate the shift towards a low carbon economy. Clean energy transition, a key driver of global clean energy initiatives, the United States is actively transitioning towards renewable energy sources. Investments in wind, solar, and other sustainable technologies contribute to the global push for decarbonization. The growth of renewable energy markets in the United States has far reaching implications for the global energy landscape. Innovation and technology advancements. The United States leads in technological innovations that support environmental sustainability. Advances in electrical vehicle, battery technologies, and renewable energy storage systems originate from American research and development. These innovations have the potential to revolutionize global industries and mitigate environmental impacts. Conservation and protected areas. The United States places emphasis on conservation efforts and the preservation of natural habitats. National parks and protected areas contribute to biodiversity conservation and ecosystem health. The United States' commitment to safeguarding its natural heritage align with broader global goals of protecting critical ecosystems. Environmental justice initiatives. Addressing environmental justice concerns has gained prominence in United States policy discussions. Efforts to reduce environmental disparities, particularly in marginalized communities, reflect a commitment to ensuring that environmental benefits and burdens are equitably distributed. Challenges and controversies. Despite positive initiatives, the United States faces challenges such as a reliance on fossil fuels and policy inconsistencies across administrations. Political debates on the urgency and scope of environmental actions can impede progress, highlighting the complexities of sustainable policy making. International collaboration and agreements. The United States collaborates with other nations on global environmental challenges. Beyond the Paris Agreement, the United States engages in international forums, sharing expertise and supporting initiatives that address transboundary environmental issues. Circular economy and waste management. The United States is exploring strategies to move towards a circular economy emphasizing waste reduction, recycling, and sustainable consumption. Efforts to address plastic pollution and promote circular practices contribute to global conversations on waste management. Conclusion. In the United States, computers with smart technology called artificial intelligence help a lot with environmental efforts. For clean energy like wind and solar power, artificial intelligence makes sure everything works well and does not waste energy. In electric cars, artificial intelligence helps the batteries work better and makes charging stations smarter. Also, artificial intelligence is used for better recycling of trash, helping to reduce waste. So, the United States is not just using new technology for the environment, it's using smart computers to make everything work even better. Canada's impact on global environmental stewardship. Canada, with its vast landscapes and commitment to environmental conservation, plays a crucial role in shaping global efforts to address climate change, protect biodiversity, and promote sustainable practices. Examining Canada's impact on the world stage provides insights into its contributions and challenges in the realm of environmental stewardship. Climate change commitments. Canada actively participates in international climate change initiatives, aligning itself with the Paris Agreement. Ambitious national targets aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions with a focus on transitioning to renewable energy sources and fostering energy efficiency. Renewable energy transition. As a proponent of clean energy, Canada is making significant strides in transitioning to renewable energy. The development of hydropower, wind, and solar energy projects contributes not only to domestic sustainability but also sets an example for global clean energy practices. Conservation of biodiversity. Canada's commitment to preserving biodiversity is evident in its extensive network of national parks and protected areas. Conservation efforts aim to safeguard ecosystems, promote wildlife habitats, and contribute to global biodiversity preservation. Indigenous and local involvement. Canada recognizes the importance of Indigenous knowledge and local communities in environmental stewardship. Collaborative initiatives with Indigenous peoples involve respecting traditional ecological wisdom and integrating Indigenous perspectives into conservation and resource management. Arctic leadership and climate adaptation. Canada, as an Arctic nation, faces unique environmental challenges. The country actively engages in Arctic governance, addressing the impacts of climate change on northern ecosystems. Research and policies focus on climate adaptation strategies for Arctic communities. Ocean conservation and sustainable fisheries. With coastlines on three oceans, Canada places emphasis on ocean conservation and sustainable fisheries. Initiatives to protect marine ecosystems, combat plastic pollution, and promote responsible fishing practices contribute to global marine conservation efforts. Environmental innovation and research. Canada is a hub for environmental research and innovation. The country invests in green technologies, climate science, and sustainable practices. Canadian advancements in areas like carbon capture and sequestration have global implications for mitigating climate change. Challenges and extractive industries. Despite its environmental commitments, Canada faces challenges related to extractive industries like oil sands. Balancing economic interests with environmental sustainability remains a complex issue, highlighting the need for a comprehensive and inclusive approach. International collaboration and partnerships. Canada actively collaborates with international partners on environmental issues. Participation in global forums, partnerships with other nations, and support for initiatives tackling transboundary challenges underline Canada's commitment to collective action. Conclusion. In Canada, the pivotal role of artificial intelligence, also known as smarter technology, shines through in its commitment to environmental endeavors. Artificial intelligence proves indispensable in optimizing the efficiency of clean energy sources such as wind and solar power, minimizing wastage. The electric vehicle domain witnesses enhanced battery functionality and smarter charging stations, thanks to artificial intelligence. Furthermore, in waste management, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in improving recycling methods, thus reducing overall environmental impact. Similar to the United States, Canada harnesses the power of advanced technology, particularly intelligent computers, to elevate the effectiveness of its environmental initiatives.